In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your Mercury Credit Card and log into your account. Whether you're a first-time user or need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Receive your Mercury Credit Card. Before you begin, make sure your Mercury Credit Card has arrived. It will be sent to the address you provided during your application process. Step 2. Visit the Mercury website or app. To activate your card, you can either use the Mercury website or download the Mercury app on your smartphone. The app is available on both Android and iOS. Website. Go to www.mercury.com and click on Sign Up if you don't already have an account. App. Open the Mercury app on your mobile device. Step 3. Create an account if you don't have one. If you haven't already registered for a Mercury account, you will need to create one. Click on Sign Up and provide the required information, including your personal details and security verification. Step 4. Log into your account. Once your account is created, you can log in. Enter your username and password on the Mercury website or app to access your account. Step 5. Find the card activation option. Once logged in, navigate to the section for card management or account settings. Here, you will find the option to activate your card. If you are using the app, tap the menu icon and select the Activate Card option. If you're on the website, go to your account dashboard and find the Activate Your Card option. Step 6. Enter your card information. Next, enter the 16-digit card number and any additional information requested, such as the expiration date and the CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Step 7. Verify your identity. For added security, Mercury may ask you to verify your identity. This could be done through a security code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Step 8. Complete the activation. Once your identity is verified, click Activate to complete the process. You will see a confirmation message that your Mercury credit card is now activated and ready to use. Step 9. Log into your account. Now that your card is activated, you can log into your Mercury account anytime to manage your card. You can check your balance, view transactions, make payments, and more. Step 10. Set up account preferences. Optional. Consider setting up additional features like automatic bill payments or transaction alerts to help you manage your card more efficiently. Congratulations! Your Mercury credit card is now activated and ready for use. Don't forget to make your first purchase and explore the many benefits that come with your new card. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more guides and tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.